Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter account public. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and download Twitter application. Once you done that, you simply need to log in your account and open Twitter. As you can see that, then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on privacy and safety, and then you need to click on audience and tagging, and here you can see that the option of protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets, so you simply need to turn that off. Once you turn that off, the whole public is able to see your tweets, and now your Twitter account is public. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.